Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my another video in my channel Muhammad Ahsan. So I'll introduce my name. My name is Muhammad Ahsan Satria Dharma. You can call me Ahsan. In this occasion, I make a project that called giving opinion about uniform, school uniform. So in Indonesia, commonly people using uniform to school, but in another country like USA, country that more bigger and more good at the degree, they not using a uniform. But in Indonesia, in my opinion, uniform is a way to give your effort when you go to school. If we using a casual shirt, casual pants, I think it's not, in bahasa it's not menghargai like that. Like when we study, we must give all our effort and niat in bahasa. Niat. Nah, that niat is can be shown when we using the uniform. So in my opinion is uniform is must. We must use uniform when go to the school, because that's my first reason. I have like two reasons. The second reason is why I'm choosing uniform to go to school is because it's more formal. If we just using casual shirt, it's not formal. Like when you meet a president, when you meet people in meeting, we must formal shirt. Same like study. Study is in Islam is we must study until we die. We must menghargai in bahasa to the teacher. We must be prepared. So we can see from his clothes. If his clothes is clean, tidy, formal, it means they ready to school. That's my reason. That's my second reason. But actually, half of my I think there is the good and there's the bad. What is the bad one? The bad one is in Indonesia, some of school, not swasta, in negeri, it's free, right? It's free. Like Semansa, SMP, it's free. Some of them. But there is one problem. What the problem? Yes, uniform. They must pay 700 just for 5 uniform. 5 set uniform. Just imagine. You are poor enough. Your dad just earning 300 per month and we must pay 700 just for a shirt. Imagine. So my conclusion is we cease from the school or just give some dana, give money from the government to buy some uniform, so it's for free. Because that's the big problem for the poor people. I'm sorry, for the poor people, because uniform in Indonesia is must use uniform. But if we not use uniform, it's like just not menghargai in bahasa Indonesia. Yeah. Like we can see it's more clean, more good enough good when you see him. Yeah. And yeah, maybe that's my conclusion, my opinion about uniform, because that's the conclusion. Yeah. Uniform for me is must, wajib in bahasa, but that's the kelebihan in bahasa, kelebihan. The kelebihan, there is two, and I think the minus is that's the money, because many people don't have much money as other people. And what time? How many minutes? 5. So 6 minutes left. We'll talk about the system of education in Indonesia, because we are talking about uniform. We are talking school too, right? So the system of school in Indonesia is it's, I think, my opinion, it's not good enough. Why? Indonesia already, we can say, meniru in bahasa, duplicate many what country, but it's for, yeah. So I think we must do better. Yeah. Maybe let's change my friends to Trisan. Trisan, your time is yours.
Okay, so what we're talking about is about uniform, right? So, in my opinion, why we must use uniforms when we go to school, or yeah, maybe you guys are a worker and then go to your place for work, and why, in my opinion, is a must to wear a uniforms. So we what wait. If you wear a uniforms, you'll be more like disciplined, like you are the good guy. I mean, like more disciplined than the other, like Asan said before. Like in America or in other countries, that the school doesn't have uniforms, that it's more less, that like the discipline is, there's no. So why actually I like uniforms, because it's more disciplines and good to wear, and yeah, like you are going to what and going to school, like focus or yeah, anything. Especially I like uniforms in IDN, in Wednesday, yeah, which is the batik one. Yeah, I like that one. And also the warpack in Tuesday. Yeah, I like that too. And for the minus, if yeah, for the minus, as I say before, is the money for buy uniforms, like school negeri, yeah, negeri, like not swasta. Yeah, it's true, because yeah, we need to spend money if want to buy uniforms. But if like us, like in IDN, the uniforms already get paid, already get, yeah, you just like to wear it like every day from from Monday until Friday, yeah, like that. And my second opinion why uniforms is a must, because when people see us, yeah, is more, what the name, more better than the school that doesn't have uniforms. You know what I mean? Like this is more in bahasa, this is more rapi, yeah, in bahasa more rapi. And then the what, the school that doesn't have uniforms is more bad, not rapi ya in bahasa. So that's my second opinion, and for the third opinion, the third opinion is actually school. What time?
Ready.
Already 10 minutes. Okay, already 10 minutes. I think. Okay, I think I just closed this giving argument about uniforms. My name is Lisan Kinandra, and before my friends is Ahsan. Dan Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.